BIM, also known as Building Information Modelling, is a 3D model-based process that is growing in prominence across the global construction industry. It's clear that BIM is a well-established tool for our industry, so students must be able to work effectively with these models and comprehend how the model fits in with the BIM supply chain. If you're a student in quantity surveying or estimating, learning about BIM is integral to benefit your education and future career prospects. And if you're a lecturer, teaching BIM is an excellent way to bring your course into the future. The benefits of BIM for the quantity surveyor or estimator, known as 5D BIM, applying costs to the model are endless. In a 5D BIM environment, estimators and quantity surveyors can participate in data exchange from the outset, rather than working in isolation to offer cost advice or take off quantities for a project. This actually enables estimators to better collaborate with the entire construction chain, including project teams. They can also focus on the client's needs more effectively, which results in a higher quality project overall. The automatic generation of quantities provides a faster, more accurate tool to analyse data and provide better advice, and allows the estimator or quantity surveyor to explore ways of improving building design, efficiency, performance and cost. i2Costex is world-leading estimating software used by companies around the world to implement BIM. The program is so easy to learn for students, and it's a great way for lecturers to make their course relevant. i2Costex is already being taught in more than 125 universities around the world, in countries like the UK, USA, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia and more. RIB recognises that exposing upcoming quantity surveyors and estimators to BIM is integral for education. And that's why we offer the following benefits in our i2Costex educational program. For lecturers, we offer free university licenses, plus your own standalone copy, free training materials and manuals, and free support. For students, we offer student licenses, free manuals, a dedicated student support forum, and a student discount on full i2Costex licenses upon completion of your university course. Plus, because i2Costex also supports 2D drawings, it can be used to work with 2D takeoff as well, ensuring it is well suited for a variety of university subjects. i2Costex features full native support for Revit files, as well as support for IFC, DWFX, CPI XML, and SKP files, which can be exported from Revit, Archicad, MicroStation, Tekla, SketchUp, and most other major design packages. Once the model is loaded, you can zoom, rotate, and pan around with our advanced graphics engine, allowing you to view your model from any angle required. If you want to look further, the eye function can be used to walk through the building or view various sections and plans. With i2Costex, you can set your model to transparent mode to take a closer look at your project. This will allow you to see hidden objects within the model for a clearer overall impression. You can also filter the view of your BIM files using the model tree and custom filter to isolate specific components. Individual object properties can be explored by right-clicking and viewing the corresponding dialog, or opening the schedule to see all properties for all displayed objects. To directly extract quantities from your BIM file into i2Costex, there are different methods available depending on your preference. The quickest way to get quantities is to use one of our inbuilt templates. This will allow you to extract all measurements from the building in seconds. Alternatively, you can create customized model maps for your BIM file simply by dragging and dropping to define any combination of model properties that you wish to import. More advanced users can take advantage of the functions available in the Expression Editor to create highly customized takeoff. If you received a revised model, you can use the i2Costex comparison tool to show the changes the designer has made, and also use the revisioning tool to automatically update the takeoff quantities from the new model. One of the other great features of i2Costex is the ability to manually measure 3D models, so you can verify that all quantities are correct. To ensure nothing is missed or measured twice, you can easily link together 2D and 3D views of the model to create a drawing set. Objects measured in one will automatically be highlighted across both sets of drawings. This makes it so much easier to keep track of your measurements and progress. To account for anything not incorporated in the model, additional measurements can also be taken from associated drawings using our advanced 2D takeoff functionality to make the most of the available information. As is standard with the i2 Costex range, the Dimension View is live linked to our advanced spreadsheet-based workbooks, so quantities from your drawing set can be automatically transferred over. To apply rates to your quantities, you can add them in manually or use live links to access your inbuilt rate libraries that can be developed over time. The live links between the rate libraries, workbook and the Dimension View allow you to create a standard template, so that when a new BIM file is loaded in, the quantities can be automatically priced in the workbook. This allows you to generate the basis of a complete estimate in a flash. BIM is a journey and there are no shortcuts, so the sooner you get started, the better off you'll be. For lecturers wanting to implement i2 Costex into their course, please email education@rib-software.com to get started with a free demonstration. Alternatively, for students who want their own copy, please visit education.i2costex.com and apply for a license using your academic email. Join the i2 Costex revolution. Get started today.